Ibiza ferry aground, 400 people evacuated. Fast ferry PINAR DEL RIO with some 400 people on board ran aground at the airport entrance, Spain, Balearic Sea, on arrival from Ibiza, at around 2,330 LT August 16. All passengers were evacuated by Coast Guard and tugs, no injuries reported, evacuation complete by 023 LT August 17. Ferry reportedly contacted port's breakwater prior to grounding. Authorities said there was no oil spill. As of morning August 17, PINAR DEL RIO seemed to remain in the same position, condition of the ship and damages extent unknown. Passenger ro-ro cargo ship PINAR DEL RIO, IMO 9,043,952, GT 3,454, built 1992, flag Cyprus, operator BALEARIA, Ibiza.